where the green grass grows lives a cow who wiggles her nose. She says with a grin and a great big moo, "Come sing along, there's fun to do." Har moo moo here, moo moo there. Cows are singing everywhere. In the mud with a bubbly splat, a pig rolls round. Imagine that. Oink oink oink, she laughs out loud. A jolly piglet, cute and proud. Oink oink here, oink oink there, splashing mud without a care. The puppy barks, woof woof woof. He chases his tail on the rooftop's hoof. He leaps and laughs with so much cheer. Let's play fetch while friends are near. Purr, woof woof here, woof woof there. Puppy fun is in the air. A kitten purrs and gives a smile. She stretches long and sleeps a while, but when she wakes, she meows so proud. Meow, meow, meow. She sings out loud. Meow, meow, meow. Here, meow, meow there. Kitty songs are light as air. The pony gallops fast and free, with shiny eyes and joyful glee. She whinnies loud. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's play games all day today. No may neigh here, neigh, neigh, neigh there. Running happy through the air. On a hill so soft and sweet, a woolly sheep taps tiny